Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the fascinating world of love and attraction. We'll explore 7 proven steps to help you make your crush fall in love with you. Now, remember, there are no guarantees in matters of the heart, but these tips might just increase your chances of creating a meaningful connection. Step 1. Be yourself. The most crucial aspect of making your crush fall in love is to be genuine. Pretending to be someone you're not is not a sustainable strategy. Authenticity is attractive. Be confident in your own skin and let your true personality shine through. Your crush should love you for who you are, not a facade you've created. Step 2. Build a strong friendship. Friendship forms the foundation of any romantic relationship. Start by getting to know your crush as a friend. Engage in meaningful conversations, share your interests, and find common ground. Building a strong emotional connection will create a solid base for romance. Step 3. Show interest. Take a genuine interest in your crush's life. Ask about their day, their hobbies, and their dreams. Listen actively and remember the details. Showing that you care about their well-being and happiness can go a long way in making them feel special. Step 4. Compliment sincerely. Compliments are a great way to make someone feel good about themselves. Be sure to compliment your crush genuinely and sincerely. Notice the little things that make them unique and let them know you appreciate those qualities. This will make them feel valued and cherished. Step 5. Be supportive. Support your crush in their endeavors. Encourage them to pursue their passions and goals. Offering your support and being there when they need you creates a strong bond. Love is often about being each other's biggest cheerleaders. Step 6. Respect boundaries. Respect is essential in any relationship. Be mindful of your crush's boundaries and comfort levels. Pushing too hard or too fast can have the opposite effect, so be patient and let the relationship progress naturally. Step 7. Be confident. Confidence can be very attractive. Believe in yourself and the potential of your relationship with your crush. While it's important to be yourself, it's equally important to show confidence in your interactions. Confidence can make you more appealing and show that you're serious about your feelings. Conclusion. In the game of love, there are no foolproof guarantees, but these 7 steps can significantly increase your chances of making your crush fall in love with you. Remember that love is a two-way street, and it's important to be with someone who reciprocates your feelings. If your crush doesn't feel the same way, it's essential to respect their decision and move on gracefully. Ultimately, the most important thing is to be genuine, kind, and respectful. Love should be a beautiful and mutual experience. So, take your time, enjoy the journey, and who knows, your crush may just fall in love with you too.